Say goodbye to those pesky dust spots ruining your perfectly captured moments with your Nikon Z6 II. First, let's gather our arsenal for a safe and effective sensor cleaning. You'll need a rocket blower, not canned air, which can leave residue, and specialized sensor cleaning swabs designed for your camera's sensor size. We'll also grab a bottle of sensor cleaning fluid and some clean, lint-free gloves. A magnifying glass or loupe can be helpful for inspection, and a clean microfiber cloth for the exterior of your camera seals the deal. Begin by turning off your Nikon Z6 II and removing the battery. This is crucial for safety and to prevent accidental activation of the shutter mechanism. Now, access the sensor cleaning mode. Navigate to your camera's menu, find the setup menu, and select sensor cleaning. Choose the manual clean option. This will engage the sensor cleaning function, holding the shutter open. With your camera held dusted pennings down, use your rocket blower. Aim the nozzle from a slight distance and give it several firm puffs of air, sweeping across the sensor surface. Avoid touching the sensor with the blower tip. Carefully inspect the sensor for any remaining dust with your loupe or magnifying glass. If dust persists, repeat the blower process. If stubborn spots remain, we move to the swabs. Dispense just 1 drop of sensor cleaning fluid onto the tip of a fresh sensor swab. Too much fluid can be detrimental. With a single, firm, and consistent swipe, move the swab horizontally from one edge of the sensor to the other. Then, flip the swab over to the clean side and perform another single swipe in the opposite direction. Never reuse a swab, and avoid scrubbing or applying excessive pressure. After swabbing, give the sensor another blast with the rocket blower to remove any microscopic residue from the fluid. Inspect your sensor one last time to ensure it's sparkling clean. Once you're satisfied, exit the manual cleaning mode on your camera, replace the battery, and reattach your lens. Congratulations! Your Nikon Z6 II sensor is now pristine, ready to capture your next masterpiece without a speck of dust.